Hi, Davina. Here we go. Week 3 assignments. So here's that contour, that pure contour drawing. Just, something to get you thinking a little more abstractly and thinking about kind of fine details and how they tend to be a bit on the random side as well. So here, let me zoom in so I can see these a little bit clearer. Okay, so, this is a hard pose that you're attempting here, and we get a little bit goofy here on the side of the palm. But overall, the fingers are actually pretty nice. The thumb is a little bit probably just a little off here, just in comparison to the palm. So, we're kind of getting there on the fingers. We need to work on the proportions of the palm a bit, but I do like what I'm seeing here. So now we lose that proportion, that nice proportion we've got here in the fingers gets a little bit lost here. So now our palm is much too long. So, we're kind of a little wide on the palm here and lose that edge there. And then we're a little bit long on the palm here. And within the wrist is really tiny. So this is actually, and I don't mean this in a bad way. This is actually a little bit cartoon-like and a little animation quality to it, which can be cool. And so that might be something you want to hone in some, in some of your work. But for the purposes of this, we want to try and, get those realistic proportions so then we know how we can kind of abstract from there. So let's work on kind of tightening up those proportions of the palm. Then our fingers look a little bit on the short side. So let's kind of work on elongating. It's hard to get things to look like they're coming forward in space. I know that's a trick to learn. But we're getting there. We're experimenting with it, and I do like what I'm seeing. This one actually is really nice and clean. That ball is gorgeous. So we have much better sense of proportion here. We, again, might be slightly small on the fingers. They might round up a tiny bit more, but it almost looks like a child's hand holding the ball, and that's fine if that's what you're going for. But gosh, this thumb is absolutely gorgeous. So I love what I'm seeing. A lot of improvement going on. Keep it up.